Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Fisher, and today we're talking crypto, specifically places to store it, how to buy it, but on one platform because it's a video on the Coinbase platform. A review of them, just how it is. Now, I know the safest place to store crypto is in an actual hard wallet. However, if you want to avoid the whole hassle of buying that, figuring out how to put it on it, through the addresses, etc., then you're left with a platform like Coinbase to store your crypto. Let's not take too long on this, so let's tap that like button and subscribe if you like content like this before getting into it. First and foremost, Coinbase will actually store your crypto for you, and it will actually be yours. For example, if you buy crypto on Robinhood, then you can't actually send that crypto out into another wallet. It's sort of like an intermediary for those just looking to dip their toes into the movement of crypto, but not actually owning the physical or digital coin or currency. Coinbase is a wallet where you can transfer your crypto out, and I can confirm that you can, because I've done that a lot. I've transferred my crypto in Coinbase out to BlockFi quite a few times, at least once a month. I like to transfer some out. That's just personal preference for me. Let's talk about the fees though before we get into the various kinds of crypto you can buy and other features it has. There are two fees that you're charged. One of them is pretty much invisible though. You get charged about 0.5% for cryptocurrency purchases and an additional Coinbase fee. This is based on either a flat fee or a variable fee. It just depends on the crypto purchase and more. If, for example, I purchase $100 of Bitcoin and Ethereum each and every month, and I get charged $2.99 because that's the bracket I'm in. I also use my bank account because if you use a debit card, you have to pay 3.99% compared to the 1.49% variable fee. If you're buying more than $200 of crypto, you'll be charged that variable fee at 1.49% because it would be more than the flat fee of 2.99. I know the fees sound a little complicated, but unless you're day trading crypto, then you generally don't need to worry about the 0.5% fee or the fact that I said 1.99 instead of $1.99. You also just need to consider that flat or variable fee. I honestly check the brief on their website every single time I went to just to check how much I'm paying because I always forget it. BlockFi doesn't actually charge a fee. However, they do charge that spread, which might be a little bit more than the fee you pay on Coinbase. It just depends what you're looking for. A lot of Forex platforms also have situations like this. Anyways, let's get back into Coinbase because this video isn't even about BlockFi, but we've mentioned it quite a few times already. Let's get into the coins you can trade with crypto. There's a massive list that I will link down below, so check out the description. But if you're looking to trade more altcoins or side coins, whatever you want to call them, then Coinbase or Coinbase Pro is probably not the platform for you. You might want to look at Binance or Kraken. They do have the major crypto in the news, Coinbase that is, like Ethereum, USD coin, Bitcoin, and some more. They don't have Dogecoin or XRP or Ripple, whatever you want to call it. So again, if you wanted to swing trade or be more speculative, then Coinbase is probably not the platform for you. For most just trying to get into crypto and looking for a place to store it and buy the major coins, it's a great platform. Let's get into some of the features they have. You can set up reoccurring buys or deposits, whichever one you want. Again, it's what I do for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I buy a little bit each and every month. That way you can average in, or I average into these positions, which is, the better way to buy stocks or crypto because it's been proven that dollar cost averaging has shown to outperform just trying to buy the dips because you're just buying at random points all along the way. Whether or not you're at a high or a low, you're still buying. And as long as you believe in the investment, then it's a great option. If you're concerned about the high prices and, I don't want to buy when Bitcoin is at 52K, which is where it is right now, it might be different at the time of this video, but don't even worry about that because you're just buying every month or every week and you're not concerned about the prices generally. You're still going to hopefully increase in value because Bitcoin just kind of keeps going up. This allows you to buy every month though, and you could potentially form a great base on your crypto because that's kind of what happened to me. It sat around the 10K level for quite some time and I was just constantly buying slowly but surely, and now it's at 50K and it's 400% the money I put in, right? Moving on though, you can also send and receive crypto because it is a wallet. Let's not forget that, right? One of the best features of crypto is being able to send and receive money in mere minutes compared to a bank where it takes 3 to 5 days to actually send another form of cash to another bank. I can send out my Ethereum and have it in my BlockFi account in under 10 minutes, or 10 minutes or under, I should say. That's just one of the major benefits of crypto in general, not just Coinbase, but got a little distracted there. Something Coinbase often offers is a way to earn extra crypto by doing totally random things. Well, not entirely random. For example, you can earn CELO by watching a few videos. Each video pays out $2 to $3 in USD of CELO, so whatever the conversion rate is there. I didn't do them at the time of writing this, but I have since done them. I've earned like 1.7 CELO just to see how it works, and all you do is kind of watch a video and answer a question based on that video. Of course, you need to pay a little bit of attention unless you already know the information in the video, and you pretty much just get money for free, which is kind of cool, right? You could also earn $10 in crypto for free after you use my link down below if you buy or sell $100 or more in crypto. I mean, we all knew that was coming, right? You can share your link or my link with your friends too. If you share your own link, you do get rewarded. If you share mine, then they do and I do, and it's a whole thing, right? Another neat thing that they sometimes offer, but not for every coin, is like a savings account style for crypto that BlockFi, again, does this, but they lend crypto, so BlockFi, I guess, is a little bit riskier. Coinbase has something similar, but you earn a percentage of APY based on the coin you purchase. USDC, or the United States dollar coin, lets you earn 0.15% API. It's all not very good, which doesn't beat out savings accounts. However, they do have other coins that earn anywhere from 2 to 5% back, which is kind of cool. Just something to consider if, you're looking to hold any one of those other coins. They do not offer it on the major ones though, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but that's probably because they don't really lend it out like BlockFi does. Is Coinbase worth it? That's a question we got to ask, right? Should you sign up with them? I think they're a decent platform for those just starting to get into crypto. They have yet to be hacked as well. I say that, but it might happen tomorrow. But that's one of those things you can claim until you are hacked again. They make getting involved in crypto very easy, kind of like how Robinhood made getting involved in stocks super easily until they stopped the ability to buy. That's why I think you should look into crypto or Coinbase if you want to get into crypto, because it is a fantastic platform. And then maybe you want to buy a cold storage drive later on for your crypto because that's what you believe in and you really believe in crypto and want to keep it in a cold storage, kind of like a bank or something. Or you can use a platform like Coinbase, get a little bit of extra APY, BlockFi, get a little bit of APY. Either way, again, click the link down below to sign up to get $10 for free in crypto after you buy or sell $100. Let me know in the comments if you like Coinbase or if you just use a cold storage or if you don't like crypto at all. I just want to know. I upload videos on Monday and Friday on travel and finance, so if that sounds like something interesting to you, hit that little subscribe button down there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.